Hello and welcome to DreamLadder Capital's Market View for September 24th, 2024. Here we break down the key events driving market movements across the globe. U.S. stocks started the week strong as both the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 edged up to record highs on Monday, extending the winning streak on Wall Street. The Dow rose more than 0.1%, following its all-time high close on Friday, while the S&P 500 edged up over 0.2%, setting a new record of its own. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite also climbed by 0.1%, continuing its steady gains. Investors are now watching closely for remarks from Federal Reserve officials and a key inflation report, seeking clues on whether the Fed is considering another major rate cut. Investors are also awaiting the Conference Board's consumer confidence reading for September, which could provide insight into the strength of the U.S. economy. Over in Asia, markets are trading higher after the People's Bank of China announced a series of monetary measures to stimulate growth. This includes cutting the reserve requirement ratio by 50 basis points and lowering the 7-day reverse repurchase rate from 1.7% to 1.5%. Switching to the commodities market, Brent crude prices are currently at USD 74.3 per barrel, reflecting the market's continued focus on global supply and demand dynamics. In the Indian market, the Nifty 50 logged its third consecutive record close, driven by gains in heavyweights like Bharti Airtel and HDFC Bank. In corporate news, Punjab National Bank is planning to raise up to $75 billion via QIP at a floor price of 109.6 cents per share, while Reliance Power approved raising $15.25 billion through a preferential issue of shares and warrants. Meanwhile, the NCLT has issued a notice to SpiceJet in another case concerning unpaid debts. This follows an insolvency filing by Techjockey Infotech against the airline over unpaid dues related to software services. Lastly, the gift Nifty is trading flat from its previous close of 25,962. Thank you, and stay tuned for daily updates as we keep a close watch on these developments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn for the latest insights and analysis.